What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to get my 91 Eagle Talon. It's been at my buddy's shop for about 6 months, getting some maintenance done to it. We're going to pick it up, bring it back here, and as far as I know, I think all it needs is tuning. So I got a spot cleared out in the shop for it again, and my buddy just pulled up in his trailer, and we'll check back with you when we get to my friend's shop. So yeah, this thing still needs to be tuned. We just picked it up from John. About to load it on the trailer. But before, it didn't even go on the trailer. Now it's shifting pretty good. It just needs a tune and just a couple other little odds and ends. But man, it's night and day. We may take it around the house a little bit and drive it, see how it does when we get back to the shop. I'm gonna load this thing real quick. So we got the Talon back at the shop, and I gotta say, after just a little bit of driving I did in the parking lot at my buddy's shop, the transmission feels fantastic. The clutch, everything engages good. So shout out to John for doing that. I didn't want to take up too much of his time today talking to him because it's a Sunday, and you know, I don't want him to be at the shop. So he was just there for me today, so I get the car. But everything seems really good on it. The only thing in question, which isn't his problem, the turbo. So I might have to get that turbo rebuilt. And I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but that's pretty much the only thing holding me back right now from getting this thing tuned. Other than that, I believe everything is good. Everything else is fine. We got the new fuel system. It's shifting good. Everything's fabricated. That's the only thing in question right now is the turbo. It is smoking a little bit after it runs for maybe about 5 minutes. When you rev it, it does puff a little bit of smoke. I know it's not the engine. I've confirmed that. But other than that, I think we're doing pretty good. So just to give you a brief update of some things that have been going on in my life lately, I don't really talk about my personal stuff on here. I mean, this is a car channel, but I know some people are probably wondering, where the hell am I? Well, this is my dad's shop. A while back, probably about 2 months ago, I did a car meet here at their house on their front lawn. There is a video. Please go check that out. It's a really good video. But we did that for him because he was very sick and we were trying to lift his spirits. We had about 35, maybe 40 cars, I believe. Some really cool stuff. All my friends were here. Well, unfortunately, maybe about a month ago, he did pass away. So he was very sick. After that car event, his health really started declining and he did end up passing. But long story short, he left me his shop and I'm very grateful for that. And we're gonna make some content here and I'm gonna start keeping my cars here. We're gonna clean it up. I've been going through a lot of stuff here and organizing and just clearing out. But so far, everything's going well. I got the DSMs here, the Mustangs here, and then, the YFZ lives here. But the Escort is still at my house. I'm gonna get it over here sometime soon. But like I said, I just wanna give you a brief life update with me. And I appreciate everyone tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.